Video number 7, YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics is the best way to understand the performance of your YouTube channel's figures. It shows the number of people subscribed, not subscribed, and both of them together. You will be able to search information based on content or location. It provides several options of viewing periods. You might see a span of 28 days, its entire lifetime, and more. Here you can choose the length of time to be observed, the past 28 days, this week, last week, and even more options. You can also choose from a calendar. Comparisons can be made with 2 timelines chosen. Content, location, and period of time are the characteristics to choose from. It will display several charts, including performance, measured in views, estimated minutes watched, and average view duration. The other chart will be engagement, with these features: likes, dislikes, comments, shares, videos and playlists, and subscribers. You will find the top 10 videos listed, with the first having the largest number of views. Each will have next to it the estimated minutes watched and a number of likes. The demographics also shows the places where the videos have been watched in greater numbers. There is a pie chart with percentages based on male and female viewers. At the end of demographics, there's Discovery, showing you the top location where it was watched, embedded external websites and apps, YouTube watch page, YouTube channel page. Also, you will see the top traffic sources, whether it's external, suggested videos, YouTube search, and others. In real time, you'll see bar graphs of the last 48 hours and of the last 60 minutes with estimated views on each video. By checking out the Views section, you will see how metrics are compared in a line chart during a certain period of time. When the Demographics section is opened, bar charts and pie charts will show you the percentage of views by gender in the last 28 days. Top location by views gives a fairly complete picture by showing what countries are watching and views in relation to the age of the audience and gender. Here you may evaluate the range of age of most viewers on your channel. When opening the Playback Location tab, you will see the number of views and estimated minutes watched, and several graphics to choose from. There's also a table that relates to views embedded in external websites and apps, YouTube page, and YouTube Watch channel page, with views, average watched minutes, and estimated duration of views. Traffic sources. Here you'll see a table of different sources of traffic: external, suggested videos, YouTube search, direct or unknown, other YouTube features, YouTube channels, browse features, notifications, playlists, each one related to views, average watched minutes, and estimated duration of views. All this will be listed in descending order according to the percentage of views. Devices. You can see what type of devices are getting watched the most, such as computer, mobile phone, tablet, unknown, game console, and TV. Each is related to views and estimated minutes watched. The audience retention displays a chart with average view duration and average percentage viewed. The subscribers tab will show you subscribers, subscribers gained, and subscribers lost, all compared in a chart. There is also a chart with source, geography, date, and subscriber status. In this table, they're compared with subscribers, subscribers gained, subscribers lost, related to video, channel, recommended channel, and closed accounts. There is also a chart with likes and dislikes as related to time. When watching videos in playlists, you will observe metrics and growth, and you may set the period of time you want to watch in the chart. There is a list of your videos, and for each one are the following characteristics: videos in playlists, videos added to playlists, and videos removed from playlists. You also may set the video list by geography, date, or subscription status. In the Comments section, you will find a graphic that measures comments in the last 28 days. Below that, you will also see the number of comments by video. Something important to measure is the act of sharing your videos, which gives you an idea as to the impact on your audience. You will see that in a line chart. In this same section, there will be a list of each shared video, showing the number of shares. Annotations are clickable, customizable text, or images that only appear on the desktop. You can use them to send viewers to more of your videos or playlists, your website, to cross-promote, or take viewers back to your channel page. You can think of cards like an evolution of annotations. They can inform your viewers about other videos, merchandise, playlists, websites, and more. They look as beautiful as your videos, are available anytime during the video, and yes, they finally work on mobile devices.